Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to walk you through making an API call to retrieve relative strength index data for a cryptocurrency pair using the ISR API key. This can be a powerful tool for traders and data analysts, allowing you to view trends and make more informed decisions. The script we are using can be easily copied from our documentation. We start by importing requests in Python, which we'll use to make the API call. We'll be using an API key for authentication, which is provided by indicatorsuccessrate.com. Always remember to protect your API keys and never share them publicly. Next, we set up the headers for our request, where we include our API key. Headers allow us to pass additional information with our API request. Following this, we define our request parameters. These include the cryptocurrency pair symbol we're interested in this case XRP and USDT. The interval for the data, here set to 1 hour. The limit of data points, currently set at 400. The RSI period, now at 14, and the oversold and overbought tracehold. With our headers and parameters set up, we're ready to make a GET request to the API endpoint and pass the URL, headers, and parameters. We handle the response from the server by checking its status code. If the code is 200, our request was successful and we can proceed. If not, we output an error message to let us know something went wrong. If successful, we parse the JSON response to extract the information we need. This includes the timestamp, closing price, RSI value, the type of signal, and the success. Keep in mind that for this demonstration, we are specifically focusing on the RSI indicator provided by indicatorsuccessrate.com. As a final step, we extract and print the overall success rate provided by the API. This is an additional piece of information that may be useful in your analysis. And there you have it. This is how you make an API call to retrieve RSI data for a cryptocurrency pair with Python using the indicatorsuccessrate.com API key. You can get your API key by registering now on api.indicatorsuccessrate.com. We hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more programming and trading analysis tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, don't hesitate to drop us a comment below. Your feedback helps us create better content for all our viewers. Thank you for tuning in, and as always, happy trading!